You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Then release the handbrake or else you won't be able to proceed. Using a 13mm spanner, release the 2 slide pins. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the caliper. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. You can use a screwdriver to help you. You need to check the proper sliding of the slide pins and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Clean the noise dampening shims using a wire brush. With a flathead screwdriver, remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the brake caliper mount around the area where the pads will be placed. This will facilitate their installation. Place the new noise dampening shims on the caliper.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Coat the end of the new pads with copper grease. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount, sliding them into place. Put the piston back. For this movement, you must have a brake caliper windback tool. This is a specific tool that will make it possible to wind the piston back, but also to have it turn on itself to reset the self-adjusting system on your handbrake. Make sure the notch of the piston coincides with the nipple on the plate. Now put the caliper back in place. Take the caliper mounting bolts included in the kit. Screw the upper mounting bolt back on until it makes contact. Take the vibration damper. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the rubber cover. Insert a T30 Torx bit into the cavity of the vibration damper Then unscrew the caliper mounting bolt using a 13mm spanner. Take the new lower caliper mounting bolt and screw it back on. Then screw the lower caliper mounting bolt back on. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels of the vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.